All right, world's fastest video. So here's a little add-on to John Elliott. So in order to get the power out once it goes into the wall with this new system, so we'll have that stud here, right? And when they go to put this plate on, getting the power through here and then going through the pipe is great. But then once it gets here, it's going to be up against this plate. And in order to have just like a little power slot while they're trying to tighten down this nut, it could be a problem. So here's what I want to do is have you on the one that where the wire's coming through on the side of the pipe. Don't do it on the top or the bottom, but on the side. Just pick a side and take a 1/2 inch hole. You might want to start with a smaller bit, but work it out to a 1/2 inch. Stay away from the edge, so that way you can do a clean cut or a clean hole. And then go ahead and drill it out to a 1/2 inch, and then just go ahead and duck saw it out and clean it up, and you'll have a little mouse hole like that. I don't want to make it too big. I don't want to just like slice a notch because we want this to tighten up nice against the plate. So I don't want to compromise this too much. So either like a 1/2 or maybe even 3/8, I don't know, whatever you think's good. But that way they can keep the wire in the pipe, run it through the wall, and then hopefully homie knows he can pull the wire through this, and then they can tighten the plate up against it, and the wire can sneak out the side. I don't want to have to try to sneak the wire through and then it get jacked up when he's trying to use his wrench to tighten this down. So just do a little side out, little hole like that. Not too big, but not too small. Out the pipe, out the side of the pipe that the power is going through. So just do that at the end. Just try to get that handled before either before paint or after paint. So yeah, just a quick little update on that. Cool.